Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I'm over at the Taylor job over in Grand Lake. Doing a little walk around. Looking at this, another beautiful pool. Beautiful spa. Look at this. Full bench. Strip tile. Look at the nice porcelain mosaics on that water line. Isn't that pretty? That's the pretty one. Look at the shimmer in the water. I'm telling you. Pretty, pretty. Got mega glacier coping. Got some nice ledge stone with a salt and pepper spillover. This is good stuff. Now, see that blue pole right there? Remember, brush, brush, brush. You got to brush your pool like brushing your teeth. Hopefully twice a day. Don't slack off. Got to keep that beautiful finish. Maintain that warranty. Well, Mr. Dustin out here checking the job out with me, supervisor. So hey, just give y'all a little overview. And hey, we're gonna see you on the next one. We got this customer swimming quick. Even though Miss Stacy over here added a bunch of cool upgrades, but she's loving it. We're all loving it. Everybody's happy. And y'all have a blessed day. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.